Hi, I'm Damien from Grafico and you're watching the Friday Wrap. Well, it's all happening here with the lead up to Christmas here at Grafico. First out, the Porsche Cayman GT4 for Lorbek luxury cars. So the Porsche Martini livery going all throughout the vehicle there from head to toe. Some pretty cool custom stripes going down the side of the car as well as the top, and finishing off with the metallic gold graphic of Martini. Well, next up, it's another Porsche. It's a brand new navy blue 911 GTS, fully wrapping the front end of that car in our XPEL Gloss Ultimate Plus plate protection film, protecting the front of that car from stone chips and abrasions. And now it's ready to hit the track, and also those great summer drive days coming up. And we've been working through the WAM Training fleet, and we've started off with a few range of vehicles from small to up to larger commercial vehicles. Our design team has designed a great graphic going out throughout the car to really reflect your brand. Big matte orange graphics going throughout the vehicle there, and as well as that, a full list of the company's services. Thanks for tuning into the Friday Wrap. We'll see you next week.